Welcome to a new topic, equations and inequalities. This is part 1. We discuss few good questions on quadratic equations in this video. Solve for x. We start with few simple quadratic equations. We have only two terms on the left side. When we have two terms, remember to take the common factor. So x times x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 0 or x equal to minus 1. Question B, 3x square minus 18x equal to 0. Again, we see that there are only two terms on the left hand side. 3x is common. 3x times x minus 6 equal to 0. X equal to 0 or x equal to 6. Look at this equation. Square root of x plus 2 minus x equal to 0. When we have equations with a square root term, remember the method. We keep the square root term either on the left hand side or on the right hand side. Only the term with square root. So here we modify the equation. Square root of x plus 2 on left hand side equal to minus x is moving to the right hand side. Then we continue squaring both sides. We get x plus 2 equal to x square. Changing into standard form. Factorize and we get x equal to 2 or x equal to minus 1. Now very important point is, after getting the two answers, we must check the validity of the answers. We must know the restrictions. Use the calculator and substitute. If you substitute 2 plus 2 is 4, square root of 4 will be equal to 2. So you can see that the equation is satisfied. But when we substitute x equal to minus 1, we get inside the square root, we get 1, minus 1 plus 2 is 1. But we have the square root of 1 is plus or minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 is not valid. Okay. So restrictions, very important. Another good question, 2x minus 5 root x equal to 3. So we keep the term with the square root on one side. So that is 2x minus 3 on the left hand side, 5 root x on the right hand side. Squaring both sides, we get 2x minus 3 whole square equal to 25x. Expanding the bracket, we change it into standard form. Then we factorize very carefully. X equal to 1 over 4 or x equal to 9. Then we check. You have to check the answer. When we substitute x equal to 1 over 4, it is not equal to 3. Therefore, x equal to 1 over 4 is not applicable or not valid. The final answer is x equal to 9. Restrictions. One more question with square root. Square root of 2 minus x plus 2 equal to x. We know the method now. Root of 2 minus x on the left hand side. And right hand side is x minus 2. Squaring both sides. We get 2 minus x equal to x minus 2 whole square. Expansion. Standard form. Factors. X equal to 2 or x equal to 1. Checking x equal to 1 is not valid. So that is how we solve the equations with square root terms. We continue the topic equations. We discussed the few questions, few quadratic equations which can be factorized easily. Now look at this question. Solve for x. X times x plus 3 minus 1 equal to 0. Leave your answer in simplest third form. So we are not going to be able to factorize. So expand the brackets. X square plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. The equation is now in the standard form. Unfortunately, we cannot factorize this expression. Now we introduce the formula method. The formula is available on your formula sheet. X equal to minus of b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac, the whole over 2a. You don't have to memorize it. Just copy the formula from the formula sheet and substitute a, b and c into the formula. So we get x equal to minus b. B is the coefficient of x. It is 3 minus 3 plus or minus b square. Carefully substitute. Minus 4 times a is the coefficient of x square. That is 1 times c is minus 1. The whole over. Remember that the division. We are dividing the whole terms in the numerator by 2a. 2 times 1. Use the calculator. Simple as that. You will get two answers. One answer when we use plus and the other answer when we use minus. We get minus 3 plus root of 13. Okay. We are leaving the answer with a third root of 13. Okay. So the question demands only in the third form. Solve for x. Correct two decimal places. 3x square minus 4x minus 11 equal to 0. In the previous question, we have to answer it in the simplest third form. Here, it is expected to be in decimal form. Okay, nothing new here. We make use of the formula, then substitute very carefully. At this stage, you can use the calculator and then get the decimal answers. Two decimal answers. Make sure that you keep two decimal places. Now we come to another type of equation. Exponential equation. Look at the question. 2x to the power negative 5 over 3 is equal to 64. How to solve for x? Okay. First, we can simplify this equation. Divide both sides by 2. We get x to the power negative 5 over 3 equal to 32. We need x to the power 1 or x. How to change the exponent now? We know that minus 5 over 3 times minus 3 over 5 will give us 1. So we take the power on both sides. X to the power minus 5 over 3 to the power minus 3 over 5 on both sides. Okay. Then if the question is demanding not to use the calculator, we have to write the following steps. Okay, on the left hand side we will get x to the power 1 or x. Right hand side 32 is a multiple of 2. We can change it into 2 to the power 5. 5 times minus 3 over 5 will give us 2 to the power minus 3, which is 1 over 8. But if the question does not insist calculator. Okay, if we are allowed to use the calculator, you can straight away use the calculator at the point where we have 32 to the power minus 3 over 5. You will get 1 over 8 as your answer. Another good question from exponential equations. X to the power minus 1 minus x to the power minus half equal to 20. Here we introduce the k method. Let x to the power minus half equal to k. Then x to the power minus 1 is x to the power minus half to the power 2, which is k square. So we get k square minus k minus 20 equal to 0, the standard form. Factorizing, we get k equal to 5 or k equal to negative 4. Therefore, x to the power minus half is 5 and x equal to 5 to the power minus 2 gives us 1 over 25, or x to the power minus half equal to minus 4. No solution for that. So the final answer is 1 over 25. 26 minus 5 to the power 2x equal to 5 to the power x minus 6 whole square. Another very good question from exponential equations. Let 5 to the power x equal to k. Therefore, 5 to the power 2x is k square. 26 minus k square equal to k minus 6 whole square. Expanding, we get k square minus 12k plus 36. Standard form, simplified standard form, k square minus 6k plus 5 equal to 0. Factorizing, we get k equal to 5 or k equal to 1. Therefore, 5 to the power x is equal to 5, x equal to 1. Or 5 to the power x equal to 1, meaning x equal to 0. So, good question. Cube root of x square minus 4 times cube root of x minus 5 equal to 0. We change the equation into exponential form. X to the power 2 over 3 minus 4x to the power 1 over 3 minus 5 equal to 0. We apply the k method here. K equal to x to the power 1 over 3. Therefore, k square minus 4k minus 5 equal to 0. K minus 5 times k plus 1 equal to 0. K equal to 5 or k equal to minus 1. That is x to the power 1 over 3 equal to 5. We get x equal to 5 to the power 3, which is 125. Or x to the power 1 over 3 is minus 1. Then x is equal to minus 1 to the power 3, which is minus 1. So that is the end of part 1. We discussed few good questions on equations.